Hey guys, welcome to Lula Loops and Stitches. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a ring with chains. Well, to make a ring with chains, you work several chains, then you do a slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring like this. Let's say I'm doing 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to turn this, and without twisting, I make sure that I insert my hook in the very last first stitch, and I complete the ring with a slip stitch right there, you see, and you have one. Now the number of chains is determined by how many stitches you intend to work into the ring and how tightly you want the ring to close. So it's not always 4, it could be 5, it could be 6. It all depends what the pattern is asking for. So if you're following a pattern, the number of chains will be specified. Well, supposing, however, that you are working a hat pattern, and after working the specified number of chains and stitches in the first round, you find you have a large hole at the center than you like. So you can go ahead and try again with fewer chains. It will cause no harm, okay? So you keep trying, and I'm going to do it again so you can see, and that's it. It's very simple. Slip knot, insert your hook. Let's say I'm doing 5, for example. A ring of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to travel this hook to the very last stitch. I'm going to insert my hook in this very last stitch. And I'm going to close the ring with a slip stitch. Very simple. And this is how it's done. Guys, if this video added any value to you, to your journey of crochet or even knitting, go ahead and make a comment below, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications so you don't miss anything. See you next time.
Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lula Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.